Today is a day that will live on in the lore of Hype Beast history. It is Box Logo Thursday at Supreme. Today is a day where boys become men, and men become stronger men.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and that is right, today is the day. It's Box Logo Thursday. We are on the hunt to get a box logo. I'm going to set up a few tasks on Turo. The bots haven't been too successful for me, at least, recently, and I will try to go manual on the phone. I think manual and Apple Pay has been working really well for me, so I hope that it can work today as well. Before I head over to the computer, I want to let you guys know that I do owe you a 500 subscriber giveaway video for that $200 Hype Beast mystery box. That is coming. I wanted to focus on the Box Logo Thursday today. I will have that video out over the weekend. So like I said, all you have to do to be eligible to win is subscribe to the channel and then just turn on notifications or just pay attention to the channel and make sure that you watch my 500 subscribers special extravaganza giveaway video. Now with all that legal mumbo jumbo out of the way, let's jump over the computer and see if I can cop a box logo.
5 minutes later.
Okay, for 15 minutes. Alright, boys, I'm recording here now. Hold on. Let me get this, there's one thing I wanted to do here. Guys in the Discord, we're going into the video today, so anybody on the Discord, I hope you guys are able to cop everything today. I want to see a bunch of box logos in success. It's only Bobby Bands now. They all left. Those fuckers. The Discord is going crazy. Look at this. These guys have been up early this morning. You guys have been bananas. I'm going to tell you, the Discord has been just popping off lately, so I appreciate it, guys. Super fun in there. And everybody's been super cool, so if you guys want to come on in there and hang out with us, we're always online, and somebody's in there to answer all of the tough questions, like, which box logo should I go after? That's kind of the only question I got today.
Ain't nobody got time for that!
The answer is any of them, basically. Alrighty. Not gonna tell you that I'm nervous, but I'm definitely nervous. We've had some bad runs lately. I'm finally at the desk for a legitimate drop. This is the first, like, big drop that I've actually been at home for. I've been away on most of the other big drops, and we've failed.
You think you're f***ing hot sh**?
But before we go, I told Skater Plays that I would give him a shout out. So, Mr. Skater Plays, there's your shout out right before box logo drop week. So you got a shout out. Check out Skater Plays. I don't know if he has a channel or not. He just wanted a shout out. Let's see. Does he have a channel? February 1st, 2016. Oh, that's old. He wanted a shout out. There you go. I'm shouting you out. Skater Plays! 4 minutes left. I am nervous. Gonna close all my browsers I don't need open. I'm gonna close all these programs. I'm gonna close everything. LFG. Lewis, I'm typing LFG to you right now. We're almost less than a minute away from Box Logo Week. Who's excited? I'm excited. I better get one. If I don't get one on the computer, I know that I'm headed to the store after this, so I'm not really that, like, ridiculously worried about it, but I definitely want to cop something. So here we go. We're down to 1 minute left. This is when men become boys and boys stay boys because they couldn't cop a box logo.
Who are you?
I'm going to start some tasks pretty quickly here in a second. Actually, I'm probably going to start all my local tasks first. We are here. It's 8 a.m. It's 8 a.m. Are we finding anything? Do we have anything going? Oh, we are getting it. Alright, we added some stuff there. Box logo hoodie. Let's go. Large. Adding to cart. Draw a circle. Checkout now. Apple Pay. Process payment. Process payment. Process some payments here. Let's do it. Yes, process this payment too. Process this payment. Process this payment. He's processing. Sold out. Process payment. I don't feel like I got the Apple Pay is processing right now. These are all gone. I don't think we did anything here. Unfortunately, we're unable to process payment. I don't think I ended up getting much of anything here. Looks like they all went down. I solved one on the phone. I solved one on the computer. The phone got in pretty quickly. I wish I would have jumped on it a little faster on the phone. I did solve on the computer the circle. I did what I could. I just payment declined, or they sold out from underneath me. I'm moving on from this painful moment in life, and I will catch you guys when I'm on my way to the store in a few minutes. Bye.
2 hours later.
It takes me about 40 minutes to get down there, so we are on the way. Again, I'd say we all the time, like there's just me. It's just a sad, lonely man talking to a phone. Honestly, that's all that it is right now.
Oh, God!
And I'll give you some updates. We'll do some copyrighted type of material right now to get you guys through this montage. So let's do it. What's up, guys? We're in front of the store now. It's raining. It is not the best looking day in Los Angeles. You can see the sky is definitely cloudy. So we'll see what happens, but definitely we get a good spot in line. I'm about to go get in the line, and we'll see how it goes from there, but see you in a second.
He needs the ID to match what's in the iPad. Hello? Yeah, you need your ID to match what's in the iPad.
XLs or XXLs do you guys have still?
XL we just have the camo.
Okay.
XL we have everything besides brown.
Could I get a gray XL?
Yeah, gray XL.
Yeah, and I guess beanies. You can only get one beanie. Okay. A black beanie.
Black shirt.
What about the Christmas deals?
We don't have the topper.
Nothing.
We didn't receive it yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Cool. Then I guess that'll do it. Thanks, man. So we just got out of the store. I was not able to get multiple of anything. They didn't even have the damn tree toppers in store, so now I'm super bummed about that. I'm gonna try to have to pay attention to see if we can get any of those on a restock. Let me get back to the car. I think it's gonna get towed, to be fair. Yeah, so I just got back in the car. I'm trying to drive back home.
Don't forget to bring a towel.
So I said, what do you have in XL? And they said, we have everything except brown. That makes my life a little harder because I honestly didn't know exactly which one I wanted to deal with just yet. Either way, I ended up with the gray XL hoodie. I went with gray. I know I was torn between blue, wine, and gray. I ended up going gray because it's just a new color, and it just pops. I think it looks really nice, the gray with the red. So yeah, that's what we ended up with.
Nice.
Oh, they didn't have any tree toppers. The store had none. They said they didn't get any in. There's no tree toppers in store right now, so anybody that goes back maybe tomorrow, if you're in LA and you can get into the store tomorrow, yeah, get in there and get the tree toppers. That sucks that they weren't there, so potentially there'll be a big restock or something coming up on tree toppers if the stores don't get the stock in. I really wanted one of those. I was really confident I was going to be able to get one in store. Box logo, got that. Tree topper. Hey, I wonder what's in there. Let's check it out. First off, for appetizers, I want to show you guys the box logo beanie. I went ahead and got one in black because, well, you can't beat black, right?
That's what she said.
And nice and clean, and it's very wearable. Best one in my opinion, but what does that matter? They were all really good, though, honestly. If you got any of these, you should be really happy with yourself, for sure. I'm just going to put him right there. And then, of course, what you've all been waiting for. The bag that it came in. Yes, look at it. It's reusable. You could make it like a grocery bag. Look at how cool it is. But this isn't what you were waiting for. I know it. That's right, guys. I went ahead and got the gray XL box logo.
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god! To me, this is the best looking one. That's just my opinion, of course. This dark gray color really makes the red pop. It's not too out there and over the top like the red on the white. I think this one is really clean, really nice. Let me take it out of the bag real quick. We'll take a quick look at the whole thing. To me, the classic red box logo on this dark gray looks really good. It's never been done before, so this is a unique piece to this season.
That's pretty good.
Not successful at all on the computer, not successful at all manual, but I did see so many of you guys in the Discord having success this morning. I was so proud of you boys. It made me feel like I was copying as well, so each time I saw one of you guys in success hitting a box logo, you know, it hit me right in the feels.
I won't let you go.
So all of you guys out there that are upset, that are down in the dumps that you didn't cop a box logo today, look at me, look at this fool. He does YouTube videos trying to tell people how to get them. This is my first hooded sweatshirt with an embroidered box logo on it.
You serious?
I was able to get the Cause one last season, but pretty much every other one similar to this has eluded me. Now I can finally say that I own a legitimate box logo hooded sweatshirt.
I don't care.
Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope you guys were able to grab a box logo as well. If not, there is always next time. Any failure only makes you stronger. Never fail the same way twice. Yada, yada, yada. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next video.
Nothing's fair. I don't wanna ever go back there, so I won't be taking no days off till my spaceship